Christmas in Mexico isn't just about vibrant festivities. It's a culinary celebration filled with rich traditions and unforgettable flavors. Number 1. Tamales. One of the must-try dishes is tamales, delicious dough stuffed with meats or sweet fillings, all wrapped in corn husks and steamed to perfection. Families spend hours together making them as part of the holiday tradition. Number 2. Bacalao. Another staple is bacalao, a salted codfish stew. Mixed with potatoes, olives, and sometimes capers, it's a dish that represents the fusion of indigenous and Spanish flavors. Number 3. Pozole. Pozole is a festive soup made from hominy corn, often served with pork or chicken, and garnished with crisp radishes and fresh lime, adding a refreshing tang to the warmth of this traditional dish. Number 4. Sweet treats and drinks. No Mexican Christmas is complete without buñuelos, crispy fritters sprinkled with sugar or drenched in syrup. And to warm you up on chilly nights, a comforting cup of atole, a thick corn-based beverage, or a fruity spiced ponche. Number 5. Romeritos. And then there's romeritos, a mix of herbs and shrimp served in mole sauce. A true taste of Mexican. This is Festive of Mexican Christmas, blending earthy and savory flavors. Number 6. Christmas turkey. For many families, a roasted turkey also takes center stage at the Christmas feast, often prepared with Mexican spices or a stuffing made from local ingredients. It's another way Mexican families blend tradition and flavor. Whether you're savoring a spoonful of pozole, biting into a warm tamal, or cutting into a juicy slice of turkey, the food of Christmas in Mexico is all about bringing people together. Explore Christmas in Mexico with us at Vibe Adventures. Subscribe for more travel inspiration. Click the link in the description below.